Okay guys, it is time for a new update here on the Bitcoin price. I've been traveling all day guys, but first of all, let's reach 1000 likes for this Lego R2-D2. Let's reach 1000 likes like on every single video, but let's not talk too much. A lot has changed. We have seen a massive dump. Our short hedge trade now with $157,000 in a profit. And I mean, the question now that everyone is asking, how far can Bitcoin go? And especially, what is the likelihood of us actually reversing maybe with the bulls today or tomorrow to reach new all-time highs? Is that even a possibility, or do we have to expect Bitcoin now to dump to at least $40,000 or even the low $30,000 levels? Let me show you exactly what we have to expect with the charts. So guys, stick around till the very end. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell next to the subscription button so you don't miss out on any future uploads. But now let's take a look on what happened. Guys, maybe you remember in my yesterday's video, guys, by the way, don't mind why I'm uploading so late today. I had a flight today, 7-hour flight. I was not able to do a video in the airplane because the Wi-Fi is just way too bad. It is barely enough to just send a few messages. But now I just arrived home like 5 minutes ago. I'm already very tired, but I need to update you here on what's happening. As you guys remember, I told you guys yesterday that we need to close the 4-hourly candle above the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. I really saw the yesterday's pump with the final 4-hourly candle of the day. I really thought that the bulls this time would be strong enough to push above it, even though I still remained a little bit bearish. I was a little bit more bullish definitely in my yesterday's video, but still guys, we on purpose left our short hedge trade open because we knew exactly that there is the risk of the 4-hourly candle again getting sold off and the bears again closing a 4-hourly candle below the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, which is the most important Fibonacci retracement level to break to the upside, to know that a pump after a dump is not only a dead cat bounce like we are seeing it right now once again. And guys, the question that everyone is asking, how far can we go to the downside? And I will explain this to you with only the daily candles, because that's the only relevant time frame I'm looking at right now to determine what I'm going to do with my trades. We still have the very important $44,000 to $45,000 horizontal support, which, I mean, it took us over a month to break above that. So, I mean, today we still have a chance, the bulls still have a chance to buy the price back above the $44,000 level, which would result in not the worst case scenario on a daily candle matter. And that's why if we close today's daily candle above the $44,000 level, I will actually take some profits off my short position. I will not scale up my longs because we have to be very, very realistic here. It took us over a month to break above the $44,000 to $45,000 resistance that now has turned into support. But if we're closing this daily candle inside of this resistance and support, I mean, our chances are again 50-50 for a breakout to the up or the downside. And that's why I will not scale up my long positions crazily, because just 2 or 3 days afterwards, we could easily dump below the $44,000 level once again and leave this very important support behind us, and it would turn into very bad resistance again that, like I said, the last time we wanted to break to the upside, it took us over a month to break it. And what is the only support really that we have now on the downside in the case that the daily candle closes below the $44,000 level is the $40,000 level. And guys, this is the level where I will start opening long positions once again. Before that, I'm very, very careful. I want to see the Bitcoin price recover back above the $44,000 to $45,000 support. And then especially depending on where we are seeing a bounce. I mean, as always, guys, we are using this. It's so easy to determine. I mean, look at this, guys. Boom, 0.618. It was so easy, guys. We never closed the 4-hourly candle above it. Boom, as long as no 4-hourly candle closes above it, we cannot get bullish because potentially it's a dead cat bounce. We should open a short hedge trade. Boom, it's a dead cat bounce. We have a short, boom, we make profit. Zack, zack, zack. Not really difficult what we are doing now in the last couple of days. And now the same goes for this dump. So first of all, we would need to take the Fibonacci retracement level from here. So boom, you can already see $46,300. This is right now the level we need to break to the upside, or even if we're just looking at the smaller time frames, looking only at the dump that we've seen right now, we would need to break above the $45,700 level. But since we don't even have any sign of a reversal happening so far, right now we are just pretty much dumping straight to the downside. This 4-hourly candle again closes in 30 minutes. It doesn't really look all too bullish. So we really have to keep in mind here that we can dump way lower. So we cannot use the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level yet, as long as Bitcoin is not establishing somewhat of a local bottom. Only then we can draw the Fibonacci retracement and find out what the price level at the 0.618 is that we need to break to the upside to not again have a dead cat bounce. But guys, that's pretty much already it. This is all I'm keeping an eye on right now. I know it's not a lot of price levels that you right now have to keep an eye on. It's actually very, very easy. Just because, Bitcoin is on the daily time frame, just making its decisions sooner or later, right? So guys, keep that in mind. Make sure to smash up a like. Let's reach 1,000 likes like we do on every single video of mine. And also, guys, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe, activate the bell, leave a comment down below, and keep an eye on the Bitcoin price. As you know, I will take imminent action on my short trade, and I will take imminent profits. I will take massive profits of this short position with a combined profit now of $170,000 as soon as Bitcoin closes a daily candle above the $44,000 level again. But I will not close the complete short. Like I said, maybe 1/3, maybe a little bit more, maybe half of the position I'm going to close, but not more. Because like I said, as long as the daily candles are remaining below the $45,000 level, the chances of actually dropping all the way down to the very important upward sloping support here at the $40,000 level, I mean, that's the next support. So we can definitely reach it, and I don't want to miss out on that bearish price move if I don't have to, since my stop loss for the short position, I can now set in a profit. The short trade cannot make any loss. And as soon as, like I said, we're closing above the $44,000 level, I will take some profits. And if we're even not closing today's daily candle above the $44,000 level, but even below it, maybe at the $43,000 level, just below the 44, I think even it could be a good idea to scale up the short once again in anticipation for the drop all the way down to the $40,000 level. But now, guys, make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to like, activate the bell next to the subscription button. I would really appreciate it if we could reach 1,000 likes like we do on every single video of mine. And now we're going to see us in the next one. Till then, bye.